What's popping, everybody? You know what it's man, Nandifi Obramanganga, Mr. Obreaction, and we are back, and we are back again. So, guys, this is J. Cole Interlude 2021. Man, J. Cole just announced that he's gonna be releasing an album this year. So this is the first interlude he's gonna release, interlude from that album. So hey man, I just have to jump on it, and I hope I do justice to this reaction. I just hope I do justice this reaction, because I know there are a lot of J. Cole fans who are gonna come and watch this, and I want them to subscribe. And please guys, subscribe to this channel. And hey, let me just go get to it so that we can catch some buzz.
I'm a living little good thing. Swaggy living little good me. Mama said you want a good thing. Yeah. We came a long way, man. We just came a long way.
Long way.
We sitting on top.
You know, we came a long way from 1 subscriber to this now, man. We came a long way, very long way, man. Let's go.
We sitting on top of this shit. This shit can go one of two ways. This shit can go up. It can go down. Either way, nigga, I'm prepared.
Okay.
Feel me? Yeah. I be coming in peace, but fuck me. Best beware the others, this shit deep. Undercover street, this southern heat make them bear, but some...
The flow, man, like the flow is brilliant, man. It's brilliant. I've been coming in peace, but that's not me, man. That's not me.
Deep undercover street, this southern heat make them bear, but summer's just last week. See your mama weep, crying cause she don't want to bury your brother. The blood leaks while the EMTs gotta carry her baby like surrogate mothers. Whoa. Thank God we survived around with the terrorists. Some of them traumatized, wouldn't trade it for nothing through hard times. It was there I discovered the hustle and making the best out of struggle. I kept grinding to the step, but level respect mine. Gotta stay out of trouble, cause Tech 9's like the air rebuttals. Cold world niggas knowing what it is. Just in case they don't, I show them what it is. Yeah, summer I do real numbers, couldn't dare touch it if they soda double this. Black hot niggas burning up the street. Shots popping and we heard it up the street. It's a war, niggas running up the score. Jesus said that you should turn the other cheek. Once these niggas getting murdered every week. Dead bodies smell the odor in the street. My homie got out on parolees on my Coca-Cola than a soda in the street. Summertime bring the coldest winter breeze. Hella blooms like a rolling 60. Christ went to heaven age 33 and so did Pepsi and so did Nipsey.
Woo! Man, this guy is flowing, guys. This guy is flowing, and you know that this just makes me want to be like, hey man, where's the album? Come on, guys, you're taking long. You just announced that you're releasing an album. Why didn't you just release everything at once? Okay.
I told you. This shit can go up, it can go down. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I done seen the highest heights. I done seen it twice. And I seen the lowest of the lows. And still I rose. Now I'm at your neck, nigga. Yeah.
Woo! That was J. Cole Interlude for his upcoming album. This is gonna be great, man. This is going to be great. I can't wait for the album, man. I can't wait for the album. This was great. Typical J. Cole. That was J. Cole Interlude. I'm waiting for the album, and I'm sure you guys are also waiting for the album. This is Obreaction. I love you all. If you are here, you are first, you are new, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and you know guys, I love you. And I say I'm out.